Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and this is going to be a little bit of a different video today. So today marks a little bit of a milestone. This is a year from me starting to do a video a day. So I went through and I was making videos, and I guess I forgot that I took a little bit of a break, and I looked back and I was seeing how slow the growth was and how slow everything. Well, you guys are always pretty cool about this and are very interested in this. So let's just talk about this. So here was when it started. So we just passed our 2 years a couple weeks ago. So we went through and we had a little spike around October and during fall time. But still, I had gaps and was trying to figure out if this was going to work. And I kind of made a promise to myself, and I kind of wanted to see if I would stick with it. And on April 9th of 2018, I started to make a video a day, or publish a video a day. And it was very, very, very challenging. Sometimes coming up with ideas, sometimes making sure that it was just right. Had family stuff, kids, house, spouse, life. But I only missed one day. I hate to say it. It used to really bother me, but it was because of internet service provider. It was down in the neighborhood. Yeah, we even had bad storms around here a while ago. But it's because of you guys. You guys coming and watching and commenting and requesting, and you just see this track. But you can come here, and it was kind of sparse. Where was it? So I started out doing like videos 4 days a week, I think it was. So 28, 29, 30, and maybe it was 3, and then I went forward, and then I tried, and I wanted to see if I could do it, and then this is when it started, and it goes forward all the way through here. So this is 365 videos today because I missed one. So I haven't even committed to memory of when it was because I don't want to think about it. But there will be a new schedule coming out. Still a ton of videos, but I think what I'm going to do is I'll do 21 in a row and then take a week off. So this is going to be my first break in a year. And I'm at least going to take a week off and maybe start on Monday, because I think whatever the 9th is, I can't remember, this is going to be a Tuesday or a Wednesday. But still a lot of videos, but I also wanted to be competitive because now we have almost 450 videos out, and wanted to really just be out there for you guys and see if there was a desire, and you guys you guys stepped it up, and that's the reason why I was able to do this, because I was not sure if I was going to be able to hang in there and do a video a day. But right here, because I saw a little uptick, and I just decided that there was an interest, you guys were watching, and you guys kept me motivated, because it was not easy. It was not easy to do this, but you could just see it just skyrocketed. One of the awesome inputs I got was make a playlist, group these in playlists. And I wasn't sure, but this is why I listen to everything you guys say. You guys want a video, I make it. You guys have a suggestion, I do it. Because everything you guys have suggested has been awesome. So, all right, a little bit of rambling here, but gonna take a break, at least a week, we'll see. And we'll just pick up back where we left off. I'll still be answering comments if you guys have any. Well, that's it. But just thanks for everything, guys. I can't tell you thank you enough. Been an unbelievable year. Cannot believe it's been a year. But yeah, just gonna kind of still do micro videos, but the pace is gonna change a little bit. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.